Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my part 4 of my Christmas Clean and Decorate with Me series. Today we are tackling the master bedroom, making it all cozy for Christmas. It's very neutral and relaxing and I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to give this video a like if you are enjoying all the Christmas content, and let's go ahead and dive into today's video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am decorating our bedroom for Christmas and I'm going for a very neutral kind of boho farmhouse feel. I'm wanting to keep it very light and bright. I feel like those colors do well in our room. Just very relaxing, serene, cozy vibes is what we're going for. This is actually my final Christmas Clean and Decorate with Me video. I posted one for my living room and entryway. I also did one in my office and my son's room, and then I posted my kitchen and dining room yesterday, and then today I am showing you guys our bedroom. So I am very excited. I also wanted to mention that on Monday my Christmas home tour video will be live. I'm going to show you all of the areas in our home that are decorated for Christmas, and I am so excited to give you like one curated full video showing you guys everything. So if you are excited for that, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button if you are enjoying these Christmas Decorate With Me videos. And also there is a huge giveaway in the Christmas home tour video on Monday. It's a collab with a ton of amazing women here on YouTube that decorate their homes so beautifully as well. So I can't wait to do that on Monday. All right, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get to decorating this bedroom. I did want to show you guys some items that I picked up for our room so you can get a feel for how we're going to decorate, and if you guys are wanting to go pick up any of these items as well. The first one is this bottle brush tree with these lights. These are so cute. I seen Jennifer over at Cook, Clean, and Repeat. She shared these, and then Jess Giffen, she also shared them as well. And I thought they were so cute, and they were $8 and then half off. So for $4, you cannot beat that. I'm really excited about these. So I'm not totally sure where I'm gonna put these, but they are so cute. Here's what they look like. They're kind of vintage looking. They have snow with the bottle brush trees in there. So very cute. I'm going to be using this ribbon here for our tree. It kind of reminds me of drop cloth, has a little bit of that red pattern going down it. I thought that would be nice for a pop of color. I picked up this lighted garland at Walmart. It was $14.99. It's a 9-foot pre-lit garland. It has clear lights, and I think this pine branches are really pretty, so I think I'm going to put this above our bed. I also picked up this really pretty glittery, kind of a cream colored ribbon. This was from Hobby Lobby. And then I picked up some picks. I wanted to add kind of like a natural look, so these are kind of like a taupey colored berry that's a little bit glitzy. I got some of those. I also wanted to get lots of white ornaments, so I found these bells. They kind of look farmhousey to me, and I love them. They're that metal, and I just love bells. I think they're so pretty for Christmas. At Hobby Lobby, they also had these ribbons that you can string up on your tree. They had some on the tree whenever you first walked in the store, and they were so pretty. They were $3.99 and half off, so only $2. So I grabbed 2 of these. Again, a little pop of red in there. I also picked these up from Hobby Lobby. Some are clear. They have deer on them and trees and then snow inside. And then the other one is kind of glitzy. So that's what those look like. And then I thought these were so cute too. These have little deer in them with bottle brush trees and some of that snow, but they're a clear ornament. And I thought those were so pretty too. And then for more of that boho, shabby chic looking vibe, I picked up this ornament here. It's kind of chippy looking, and I thought that was really pretty. I put some of these ornaments on our main Christmas tree in the living room, and I loved them, so they come in a 4-pack. I picked up another one of those. And then I also got these here. They kind of look like white ribbon, but I don't know, I thought they were very pretty. They kind of look knitted to me. So I picked up a package of these, and they have little bells on the top as as well. And then for a statement piece and to really pull in that boho farmhouse feel, I picked up this hanger here from TJ Maxx. It was $29.99, so $30, and it is huge. So I think I'm going to put it above the fireplace mantle back here, but I just love this. All right, let's go ahead and get to decorating. All right, we're getting started by putting up the tree. This tree is a 9-foot tree that I got from Hobby Lobby, I think 2 years ago, and it is such a beautiful tree. It has pine cones in it and different types of branches, and I really love it. So it works out perfect in our master bedroom with our vaulted ceilings. In the living room, it's a little bit crammed, so it works perfect here. It's also kind of a skinnier tree, so it is really great for a corner in our bedroom. So Taylor is putting up the tree and also putting the lights on for me, and this was a couple days before I actually decorated. So once he had the tree up, it was ready to go and I could finish off making it all pretty.
May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
All right, now to the decorating. So I'm gonna start by decorating my tree, and I like to start with a ribbon. That way I can get it nice and tucked into the branches and I can have my ornaments lay on top of it. So that's what I always do, and I just kind of see what I'm working with, see how much ribbon I have. Sometimes I will cut it into pieces, that way it doesn't actually go all the way around the tree. It's just a way to save on ribbon. And then I also will cut off just pieces of ribbon and place it into the tree as well.
The love I lived, the dream I knew.
I ended up loving how these banners turned out. I feel like they gave such a nice pop, and I love the contrast with the red.
Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do.
Now I'm just going to place my ornaments all throughout the tree. I'm not going in any particular order. I'm just placing the ones that I want to be front and center on the front of the tree, and then I'll go in with some more filler pieces.
This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
Feeling alone, kinda misty.
Moving on to our faux fireplace mantle, I decided to make a little village setup. All of these houses are from the Target dollar spot this year, and the white ones light up, which I love. They didn't need batteries or anything, so that was awesome. And then the bottle brush trees are from Hobby Lobby, and I just love the creams and whites together and the woods. I just think it's really pretty. And then I am going to place them all out accordingly, and then I will lay this piece of garland back on the front. I really like the contrast that the green gives.
Are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow. A secret and a song, even church bells
For a nice boho touch, I'm adding this hanger here. It ties in the wood beads and the tassels. I think it is so pretty. I picked this up from TJ Maxx, like I said earlier, and I didn't know if I was going to like it at first, but I ended up really loving it. For the bottom of the mantle, I decided to add a basket that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I'm putting some birch wood in it just for a little bit of texture, and I picked this wood up in a pack from Home Depot. It was really inexpensive, and I think it's a really cozy touch.
Little things that I wanna hear, and the stars.
Then to tie it all together, I decided to add this light garland with the bottle brush trees, and I feel like that totally sealed the deal, and I might even go back and get a couple more strands. That way it goes all across the front of the mantle.
Playing on.
Above our bed, I have these embroidery hoops, and I like to add different stems to them for the season. So for fall, I had leaves on there, but for Christmas, I wanted to add some pieces of greenery. So I had these stems from Hobby Lobby that I just pulled apart and added a variation of sizes to the hoops. You could add as much or as little as you would like. I also got the hoops from Hobby Lobby, and I just have little tiny nails holding them up, and I love the look that this gives.
Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
I'm also going to add that garland above our headboard, and I used some command hooks to secure that. That way it doesn't damage our headboard at all. And then now I'm going to make the bed, and some of the garland fell onto there, so I'm going to lint roll it off real quick, give the comforter a good shake, and then I'll add the pillows. So I wanted to keep it really neutral and light and airy, so I'm just adding our regular pillows, and then I'm going to add some cream ones, and then this one in the middle has a wreath on it, and I thought that was pretty festive for Christmas.
Christ the Lord.
I also threw this throw blanket down at the end of the bed. I love doing this. I feel like it's extra cozy vibes. And this one I did pick up from Home Goods this year. Alright, and here is the final reveal. So I didn't go overboard with tons of color, but I did add little touches of Christmas here and there, and I love the way it turned out. I feel like it is so cozy and relaxing and really just a neutral, nice palette. So let me know if you guys are enjoying these neutral Christmas decor inspiration. And this one definitely had more of a touch of boho than what I have done in the past, and I honestly love it. I feel like I'm not going to get tired of it until after Christmas, and I'm really excited for all the cozy nights that we'll have in our home. So I hope you enjoyed seeing all of these Christmas decorate with me videos. I have my Christmas home tour going up on Monday that I am so excited for. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Make sure to like this video if you liked it. Give me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.